Good morning, students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's our topic is lesson number 4, As You Like It, abridged version of the story by William Shakespeare. Let us continue the story as you like it. Let's read line by line. Oliver went there to explain his absence. There, seeing Celia dressed as a shepherdess, he fell in love with her immediately. It was arranged that the wedding of Oliver and Celia should take place at the Duke's encampment. Then, as Orlando protested that he still loved the lady who gave him the chain, Rosalind promised she would bring her to him at Celia's wedding. This she did, of course, by putting off her disguise and appearing there as her own self, not only to the joy of Orlando, but also of her father, the Duke. Oliver was now so happy that he promised to give Orlando his estates, but the news came that Frederick was on the way to kill his brother, the Duke. When Frederick was on his way, he met a good old man who made him realize the evil life that Frederick was leading. This changed Frederick's mind and he surrendered to the Duke all his property, and thus happiness was restored to all. Here Orlando was wounded, so Orlando could not visit Rosalind's cottage as usual he visit. So Oliver went there to explain them why the Orlando cannot visit there. That time he see the Celia. That time Oliver see the Celia. She has dressed up as a shepherdess. She dressed up as a shepherdess. Then at then at first sight Oliver fell in love with Celia immediately. It was arranged that the wedding of Oliver. Now the wedding of the Oliver and Celia was arranged because Oliver fell in love with Celia by seeing her dressed as a shepherdess. Now the arranged that the wedding of Oliver and Celia should take place at Duke's encampment. The wedding of the Oliver and Celia should take place at the Duke's encampment. Meaning of encampment is a large group of tents or temporary shelters. There the wedding take place at the Duke's temporary shelter. Then Orlando protested that he still loved the lady who gave him the chain. Then the Orlando disagreed strongly that he still loved the lady who gave him the chain for his bravery. Rosalind promised she would bring her to him at Celia's wedding. Now the Rosalind promised that she would bring her to him at Celia's wedding. This she did, of course. She bring him at the Celia's wedding by putting her fur disguise. Here meaning of disguise is to make changes in the way that someone looks so that other people will not recognize them. not only to the joy of Orlando, but also of her father, the Duke. Not only for the happiness of the Orlando, but also for her father, the Duke, who lived in a forest of Arden. Here, Rosalind's father, Duke, lived in the forest of Arden. Now Oliver was now so happy that he promised to give Orlando his estate. Oliver was changed his mind towards his brother, that he promised to give Orlando all his property. But the news came. Now the news came that the Frederick was want to kill the Duke. Frederick wants to kill his brother Duke. He is on the way to kill his brother Duke. When Frederick on his way, when the Frederick on his way to kill his brother, he met a good old man. He met with a Frederick met with a good old man who realized the evil life that Frederick was leading, who realized him that he was leading a evil life because he rebelled against his brother Duke, and also he banished Rosalind from the palace. He was leading a evil life. This So the old man changed the mind of Frederick, and he surrendered to the Duke all his property. What the property all he has, he surrendered it to the Duke. He gave his all money property to the Duke, and thus happiness was restored to all. And here happiness was restored to all. Now we will do exercises. Fill in the blanks. First one, the peace-loving Duke went to the forest of Dash after he was thrown out by Frederick. Your answer is Arden. The peace-loving Duke went to the forest of Arden after he was thrown out by Frederick. Your second question is Dash had 3 sons, Oliver, Orlando and Jacques. Your answer is Sir Roland de Boys. Sir Roland de Boys had 3 sons, Oliver, Orlando and Jacques. Next question is Dash was given the responsibility of educating his brother. Answer is Oliver. Oliver was given the responsibility of educating his brothers. Next question is Dash was Frederick's daughter. Answer is Celia. Celia was Frederick's daughter. Next question is Rosalind gave her Dash to Orlando in appreciation of his bravery. Answer is chain. Rosalind gave her chain to Orlando in appreciation of his bravery. Now it's time to take the homework. Read and write, fill in the blanks. Page number 31 and 32. And write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.